Hi everyone, ever just wondered how you can private browse on your iPhone? Well, here's how you can do it. So, first of all, you need to get to the Safari. And after going to your Safari, now here you'll have to tap on this tab icon that you can see right here. So, after tapping on tab icon, here you can see all of your tabs of your normal browsing will open. So, in order to get to the private, you'll have to tap on this option private right here. So after doing that, now you're going to open a new tab on your private browsing. So tap on this plus icon right here. And here you can see this is your private browsing. From here, you can start browsing and it will all be private. So in order to disable it, you'll have to again tap on this tab icon right here. Now from here, you can tap on this two tabs right here. And here you can see we're now on our normal browsing. You can again tap on the tab that you want to open, just like this. And like that, you'll be able to enable or disable your private browsing on iPhone. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.